Hey guys, Dan's Restorations back in with another video. Today's video, I'm going to show you some tools I got rid of and some new additions, so stay tuned. Before we continue the video, check out this new hat we launched. It's the trucker style hat. If you like it, pick it up at templegear.shop. Link will be down in the comment section below. Now, back to the video. So last time I showed you the power tools, I had DeWalt and Bauer in here. I had Milwaukee and Hercules in that drawer, in the drawer below it. So right now, you can see just Hercules. And in this drawer, just Milwaukee. So I ended up selling all of my DeWalt and Bauer tools to a friend of mine, because I just wanted to have Milwaukee and Hercules for like a cheaper version of a tool. Like if it's something I'm not going to use that often, I'll get the cheaper version, but if it's something that I can see using more often, or if it's just a great deal, then I'm going to stick with Milwaukee. So the new additions that I have to here is the Bauer brushless hammer drill, brushless impact driver, and the soldering iron. So we'll give this one a try at a later date. Yeah, just thought it was pretty cool, pretty cheap too. I think it was like 75 bucks. But you also have the multi-tool, small impact driver, hacksaw. I think that's the 3/8 drill, I believe 1/2 inch drill, another impact driver. We have the angle die grinder, 3/8 cordless ratchet, and their version of the Dremel. And then for the Bauer, let me just get some better lighting first. Use my Milwaukee flashlight. We have the Hercules cutoff wheel, extended ratchet. I believe that's 3/8, I think. Yeah, 3/8. 3/8 impact wrench, 1/4 inch impact wrench, and screw gun. So I'll be adding a lot more to that and the Milwaukee tools. So thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.